Okay, my sum would be equal to, well, I want the 150th partial sum, so that means I want 150 numbers. The first number is 5. What's the last number? I got to figure out what A150 is. But luckily, we know how to do that. The very first rule we ever did says, or the very first formula we ever did, we said, in order to figure out any number in the sequence, we need the rule. So I need to know what the rule is for this sequence to then get the 150th number. This was the very first formula we did. A1 is 5. D is 11, because I'm adding 11 every time from one to the next. And then n minus 1. So 5 plus 11n minus 11. 11n minus 6. Now, I think I did it correct, but I'm not going to get the 150th number yet. I've always said you want to check your rule, because if that rule is wrong, if it was supposed to be plus 6 and I hit minus by accident or whatever, or I didn't distribute the 11 and I put a minus 1 here and now I wrote 4, I can double check very easily. If you plug in a 1, the first term should be a 5. So plug in a 1, that would be 11 minus 6 is 5. And then I'll plug in a 5. I always do the front and the back. I'll plug in a 5 to get 49. So that would be 55 minus 6, which is 49. So the fact that the 5 and the 49 both worked, I'm pretty confident that my rule is good. I mean, if you check the 5 and the 16, that's okay also. A lot of times when I check them, though, I'm always using the very first one and the very last one just to make sure my rule is good. So now let's find the 150th number.